Are you looking to make some extra cash with ChatGPT? The possibilities are endless. Here are 3 options for making money using ChatGPT in just 60 seconds. 1. Compete in online prediction competitions. Use your API key to access ChatGPT and fine-tune it with the provided dataset. Submit your model to competitions on platforms like Kaggle and potentially win cash prizes. 2. Develop and sell chatbot services. Use ChatGPT to train a chatbot for a specific industry or task, and then offer it as a service to businesses. 3. Create and sell chatbot-generated content. Use ChatGPT to generate unique content, such as articles or social media posts, and sell it to individuals or businesses. Don't wait any longer, start using ChatGPT today and start making money in just 60 seconds. Please note that earning money from these options will depend on your skills, the demand of the service and also the competition performance.